Dramatically transform any room with the splendor and serenity of falling water. A living work of art for your home or office. Available in 3 sizes to suit any decor, Napoleon waterfalls are not only visually stunning, but also create a healthy environment by naturally attracting airborne particles, giving you cleaner, humidified air. Commercial quality engineered and constructed Napoleon waterfalls fit easily between 2x4 framing. Each waterfall comes as a complete package with pump reservoir, stainless steel back panel, low voltage lighting, and all hardware required for installation. Standard stainless steel back panel can be replaced with custom choices of mirror, tile ceramic, or granite to match your own style. Dramatically different, distinctly Napoleon.